Hey guys, welcome to Car Crazy Can's garage. Well, here's a '76 GT0 Hurst project I'm working on. You guys remember it? I've been working on it slowly but surely. I got the rims on finally. Let's paint this silver. And I got a white stripe on the bottom now. Makes it actually pop actually. So yeah, I like it. Looks pretty cool. I was going to go with the stripe around the wheel well, but that's a big hassle to do it that way, so I'm not going to do it that way now. Maybe if the car maybe at a later date, if I ever get rich someday, maybe I'll take it to a proper body shop and I'll get everything done perfectly on it, but I doubt it. I don't ever get rich anyway. So anyways, working on it. And I got something kind of cool. I ordered a gasket for the back trunk. Got on eBay, and of course I tried to find the original for this. The original weather stripping had this lip in here, little lip there, that crimps over this edge here. Well, I couldn't find that, so I found this stuff here, which I'm going to glue it right now. In a few minutes actually, after I finish talking to you guys. And it's this stuff right here. So just put some contact cement in that groove there and press that down, and voila. So just like that. I would have liked it to go over the edge there, but I couldn't find it. I just couldn't find this stuff here proper stuff. But well, if I went to my local automotive dealer, the Chevy dealership or whatever it was, I probably could order one in, but I'm pretty sure something like this probably would have cost a couple $100, knowing AC Delco or whatever. Try to find that. I just couldn't find the stuff, the proper stuff. So I'll use that. That's good enough. So anyways, I got some contact cement for that. My bench is a mess. So I found this stuff here. It's by LePage. Contact cement, low odor, and it brushes on real smoothly. So it goes 3 times as far. So I'm be using that, and do some fiberglassing. So anyways, I'll take you in the back and show you guys what I'm doing. So yeah. So the light in here is not that great. Back in my shop here, but anyways, there's the hood scoop. I'm fiberglassing it in. I pop riveted in the other day, and now I got this blue short strand in there, and I've got my second coat already on there. So yeah, we'll get that on there. I'll smooth out everything, and I'm gonna cut this out. Put my camera in the right spot. I need to cut that out. So yeah, looks pretty cool. I want to show you guys something I found. Those of you guys who use Dremels and stuff like that for doing small stuff, whatever, I need to because I need to cut that hood scoop out. And I found these blades at the hardware store. There's your metal blades that go on your Dremel, so for cutting. So I thought it'd be kind of handy. Of course, you wear goggles so you don't get shit in your eyes, but it'd be handy for cutting that hood scoop thing out there. Maybe the smallest one possibly. Also got the discs too for the Dremel. These smaller discs, so a whole bunch of them. And for the bucket was $7. But anyways, I thought I'd just give this a try. Kind of handy. Yeah, try it out. For cutting metal, I don't know about cutting metal, but for at least cutting the fiberglass, that might work out pretty good. Anyways, just a little update on that. Anyways, now I'm gonna work on this baby here for a while, and I need to get the other side. I'm actually painting the other side now too, and I got still masked up. And painting that side there. So anyways, yeah, we're getting there. And what else? Oh, and the front bumper. Later on I'll be ordering some chrome wrap. And yeah, gotta fart. Yeah, gotta like that. So anyways, anyways, check it swinging there. So when I get the chrome wrap, we'll do that together and show you guys how it's done. And anyways, it should look pretty cool. So it's a lot cheaper with the chrome wrap on the bumper. It's a lot cheaper than getting re-chrome because I priced it out. And just to get the front bumper re-chromed, it cost me $350 Canadian. So that's a lot of money. And the chrome wrap I get for $16. It comes from somewhere in Canada somewhere. I think it's like 6 feet. So I may get 2 rolls of it just because. Well, this is what the hell this is now. I think it'll go around the edge. 1, 2, 3. Probably I need at least 2 rolls to be on the safe side. So yeah. Anyways, that's what we're doing. But yeah, it'll look a lot better for sure. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And once we get the seal on the hood here, our trunk lid done, I'll bring you guys back, show you what it looks like, and we'll go from there. Alright, remember to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Alright, this is Car Crazy Cans, over and out. Bye for now.